Hi guys, welcome back. I'm super excited because I have a tag video for you today. It's the most used, least used, and cutest handbag tag video. And I don't know about you, but I love personally watching tag videos. I think they're super fun. It's really interesting to me to see what other people pick, and it's cool because you kind of get the YouTube community interacting with each other. But if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Anne. I make weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. So if those are your cup of tea, I would love for you to subscribe below. But that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, let's kick it off with my most used bag. So that is my work bag, the bag that I carry every day with my laptop, my lunch, all those things. And it is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size in the damier ebene print. And guys, I know you see this bag everywhere, but there's a reason for that. It's just so practical. It's such a workhorse. You could really throw it around, beat it up, and nothing's gonna happen to it. And I swear, this is a bag that I will never, ever, ever get rid of. But if we're talking about handbags that I wear exclusively outside of work, there are a few that I get a lot of wear out of. And the bag that I'm probably using the most right now is the YSL mini camera bag here. And I think it's also called the Mini Lou camera bag. And I've been wearing this nonstop lately. It's such a cute compact bag. I can't rave enough about it. It goes with so many different things. I love it. But if we want to talk about most used of all time bags, then we would have to go with my Louis Vuitton Speedy in the Bandolier 25 damier ebene print. And guys, I love this bag too. It's such a great bag for everyday use, for travel. One of the reasons why actually this is probably one of my most used bags is because I've taken it on a lot of trips with me. And that's because I know it fits everything I need in it, and that I can fit a sweater in it if I want, a water bottle if I'm walking around sightseeing, and I don't have to worry about it in the rain. And I'll put this bag aside for some time, sometimes for months, but I always come back to it because it's so practical. And if I'm just bumming around and I don't know what bag to pick up, then I always go with this bag. So this is another forever bag in my collection and one of my favorites. All right, let's move on to least used bags. And guys, this really made me sad because I had to admit to myself that there are some bags in my collection that I don't wear quite as often as others. And for me, for least used bags, I would have to say it is my Alma BB in the damier ebene print. And guys, this is so sad because I honestly love this bag and I love how it looks. It's so cute. It's just adorable. And I remember when I saw Rihanna wear it a few years ago, I was like, oh, that bag is everything. It's gorgeous. And I still think it's so cute. I think it's one of those bags that is so classic. I mean, the Alma has been around forever. I know that I want an Alma in my collection just because of its history. And it's just so cute, like shrunken down into this mini size. But I just don't wear it that often. I wear it more in the winter time. I prefer to wear it crossbody. The strap is not adjustable on this bag and it's quite long. I'm 5 feet tall, so I am very short. And so this bag hits a very low on my body. And then also it can be a little cumbersome, meaning when I'm walking around, I feel like this bag kind of sticks out to the side a little bit. It doesn't lay flat against my body, and that really bothers me. But it's still a bag that I think is beautiful, and I don't see myself selling anytime soon. I don't know if I'll have this bag forever, but I definitely see myself keeping an Alma in my collection for the long haul. Okay guys, we're on to the cutest bag in my collection, and that is my mini Palm Springs backpack. And guys, this bag is so cute. How cute is this bag? It's adorable. And I've had it for a few years now. It's holding up great, and I just love wearing it. I especially love wearing it in the summer with dresses, like little sundresses that are kind of casual. I think they're super cute. And I love wearing this with athleisure. And this is one of those no-brainer bags that if you just don't know what to wear, you can just grab it. If I'm going to run errands or anything like that, it's great. It also makes a really good travel bag because you can fit more in it than you would think. So this is my cutest by far. I love this bag and I don't see getting rid of it anytime soon. So that does it for this video, guys. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite bags are. What is your most used, least used, and cutest handbag? Because I would love to know. And if you'd like to consider subscribing below, that would be great. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.